Hello, I'm Sean Jones, the Mission Director of USAID in Ethiopia. On behalf of USAID and the American people, I am pleased to announce this week that the United States government is providing more than $152 million in additional humanitarian assistance to the people affected by the crisis in Ethiopia's Tigray region. This money will allow the United States to mobilize tens of thousands of tons of food to address life-threatening hunger and acute malnutrition for millions of Ethiopians. Our support also will ensure that hundreds of thousands of people can obtain safe drinking water and urgently needed medical care. Our support also will give shelter to many of the roughly 1 million people who have been forced from their homes. With this latest expression of support from the American people, we have mobilized nearly $305 million for Ethiopians affected by the Tigray crisis. As we all know, Americans and Ethiopians share a long and strong partnership that goes back 100 years. Through this time, we have stood together to face crises and make a brighter future a reality for all Ethiopians. And while humanitarian aid is urgently needed to prevent conditions from worsening, ultimately an end to the conflict is needed to stop the suffering in Tigray. So, with heavy hearts, but continued optimism about the future of Ethiopia, today the American people are again standing shoulder to shoulder with our Ethiopian brothers and sisters to alleviate the needs and suffering of millions of people.